It is so pretty. It's like this blue ombre.
Sunday morning and I'm heading to the park to go walking with a friend I haven't seen in a couple of months. We both have very different schedules. It's hard to find a time when both she's free and I'm free, and so sometimes we see each other once a week, sometimes it's a couple months in between. So we're gonna walk. It's like I said, it's a very foggy morning. I'm also, on a side note, I'm working on a curly girl technique. I've been watching a couple of videos. I found one that I really like. So I'm working on a curly girl technique because I'm not going to get my hair done until August, until close to the school year when I go back to work on day shifts. I do work night shifts overnight in a nursing home all year round. friend here for dinner. Haven't seen her in a while. It's very important though, because two busy moms, between the two of us and some coffee, we can definitely solve all the problems of the world. All you guys don't have to worry about it anymore. We got this.